Hi, my name is Temi and today I am filming a video that I'm very excited about. So for 2021, I decided that I want to try to dabble in my creative side, and one of the ways I'm doing it is by learning how to master Procreate. And so in today's video, I am filming I think it's 3 or 4 items, but I'm filming my Procreate starter pack and what I bought to help me start in Procreate. So the first thing that I was gifted for my birthday was this iPad. I'm pretty sure it's the newest iPad. I will put the details of what it's called somewhere on the screen, but it is the 10.5 inch, some 10 point something inches iPad. It's in space gray. Yeah, I asked for this one because it's kind of like the size of a paper, just a little bit smaller, and I feel like I would be able to just draw better with the size. And to go with the iPad, I decided to buy this cute iPad case from Amazon. It's like a wow, I can't even read, a composition book iPad cover, and inside of it you could hold your Apple Pencil inside of it, and when you close it, it turns the iPad off. And I really like that because, you know, a little cute little journal. So yes, I will admit the iPad case is very cute. However, I wish I went for functionality and not for cuteness when it came to the iPad case, because I would prefer if the iPad case can stand up on its own, or like it wouldn't fall over so easily. You can see in these videos, it can stand up on its own. However, if I'm like pushing way too hard on it, or like it's just not on a completely stable surface, it falls over. And so I wish I went for an iPad case that sticks up and is more sturdy on the standing up angle purposes. Hopefully that makes sense. So to go with the case and the iPad, I wanted to get a paper-like screen protector. So I did. I got this from Amazon. I have not put it on my iPad yet, but I like the way it feels. And the reason why I decided to get this to be a part of my starter set was because the screen's like very silky, and I don't know why my head is telling me, like my anxiety is telling me like it's gonna be very hard to draw. So I'm trying to make it as easy as possible and get something that feels like paper, the size of paper, everything, just to help me. You probably don't need this, but I do. So I decided to get that. And to be able to draw on Procreate, I was gifted this Apple Pencil Generation 2. And I don't think you can, I actually don't know. I'm pretty sure you need an Apple Pencil to draw on Procreate, or a stencil of some sort. And so I was gifted this, and I'm so excited to use it. So far it seems very easy, but the only thing is, there's always a catch. I heard that with the paper-like screen protectors, it can wear down the tip of the Apple Pencil. So I decided to get tip covers. You can't really see it because they're really small in this little case. But I decided to get tip covers to go on the tip of this so that it's easier to draw and it won't dull my pencil down. But yeah, this is a very quick video of the things I got for my starter pack. But if you're looking into doing Procreate, join my journey and share the things that you like to use or things that actually work for you. I'm hoping these items work for me. And yeah, if I figure out any more like cute little things to get with it, I am going to hopefully film a video about it. And hopefully I'm going to film videos or you see more like creative content in my videos I'm having from now on. Hope for all the people that are trying to be creative and learn how to use Procreate, this video might have been helpful and that your journey is amazing. And so I hope you enjoyed my video, and please go watch all my other videos. They're pretty fun too and coolly edited. So yeah, have a good day, y'all. Bye. Or I should say bye, y'all.